Now the center span, when it rises in the middle of the lower bars, they telescope or slide right into the bars above them. This is the only double span telescoping vertical lift in the world. And up the Willamette to here and a few other spots where they're unloading the silos. And then when the ships arrive, they fill them up. Now the Star has just arrived last night or this morning. It was not here yesterday. About 600 feet long, maybe 7. And just getting filled up. Just started. Takes about a week. And this should have about 70,000 tons of wheat on board. That's a lot of Twinkies. Now most of it goes to the Pacific Rim, like China, Japan, and Korea. But they do send it to ports throughout the world. been to George Rogers Park, you should really check it out. It's a lot of fun. What a neat park. There's lots to do here. The beach is obviously fun. A lot of people there on the beach there, laying out, feeding the ducks, bringing their dogs down here. It's a good time. If you like history, if you look up the boat ramp, you can see a guy standing on the boat ramp. There's a girl sitting on but that lady in the middle is getting pretty quick with that life jacket. I wanted to see if I could catch her off guard. I almost got you. I'm working on it. I'll get you. See if I can catch you off guard there. I know. I'm not good, but we're not done yet. Hey, if y'all look to your right, up in the trees to your right, a little behind us, there's a bald eagle's nest up there, all the way to your right. Now this is an active nest, and they had one baby this year. They baby started flying a little while ago, so we don't see them near the nest much anymore. Sometimes we don't see them quite enough, but we do have bald eagles in the area, and that's a first-year nest also. The first year this nest appeared on the river this last spring. American bald eagle.
¿Ese chico de negocio más trompudo o lo mandaron a pescar? No, pretty much everything's wet. Never mind. How you doing?
How do they know? They weren't around back then either. Maybe it was. But I finally figured it out. I'm probably not that. I'm pretty sure that that is proof of alien spacecraft. I think it's pictured drawings of spaceships, flying saucers, right above the cloud. We like to look at the balls, and they probably like to look at them too. So they probably flew down here. The aliens didn't have cell phones back then, so they drew a picture of them. Here we are, we have a balls. What a sight. Now, a lot of people like to take a picture of the waterfall in the background, like a selfie or a family picture. So I'm going to position the boat and give you guys a chance to do that. If you're sitting on the left side of the boat, smile. If you're on the right side of the boat, grab a camera or do your hair, put on some makeup, whatever. But you got a second or two if you're on the right side of the boat. If you're on the left, though, smile there. There you go. In a minute, I'll turn the boat around. But this time of year, you actually got a pretty good show. And we're going to take a look real quick where the hydroelectric turbines are today, and then we'll come back with one more peek at the waterfall. They still do generate hydroelectric power from the falls straight ahead of you. You see the tubes coming out of that building with the circular windows. That's the P.W. Sullivan Hydroelectric Power Plant, owned by Portland General Electric. And they are generating electricity up even now. It originally opened in 1897 and has been upgraded a number of times. Now they're doing a major upgrade over the next month or so, and the turbines are shooting you guys nonstop. It's your turn. Anybody have any questions for me? All right, well, how you doing? How's it going? How's everybody doing? All right, good. A lot more to see and do, 30 to 45 minutes or so before we're done. And as we head downriver, I do need to warn you guys, the last portion of the ride does have a little more splash to it than the earlier trip. Now there's a really good breeze blowing today.
Sebastian, so wet now.
Le va escurriendo el agua.
Well, 1986 is not our biggest flood